Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice Avalanche gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Max Trailer Tow Package as well as the Lariat Sport Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, that nice tow hitch of course, backup camera, and moving to the sides, we do have mud flaps on rear and front wheel wells, as well as a nice gripped running board. We also have a side view camera, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we have front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, a license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle also comes equipped with a remote start, so no need to go outside of the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black perforated leathering with brown leather stitching and light gray stitching. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, you can fold this down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. You also have 2 cup holders right there, 2 heated back seats, 12 volt USB and USB-C, and 120 volt right there. You also do get plenty of door space, nice brown leathering on the door with a B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice. And as always, if you need a little extra space, you can always fold up the seats for more cargo space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered with the same leathering we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space as well, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake, pedals, tailgate light, lights in general, blind spot detection, and your tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 74.7 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with your toggle for your main screen. You have your phone, media, volume and voice, and cruise control there. You also have My View, which you can go for fuel economy, trip 1, configure My View to whatever you'd like. We also have trip and fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. And we do have a nice collapsible gear shift, which is pretty handy, as well as a nice little storage slot here, 2 cup holders, fair bit of storage here with a USB and USB-C and a wireless charging pad, and this does close. You have your drive modes, rear axle lock, as well as your 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, and for your drive modes you do get, that's funny, normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and ruts, and all the way to the left here, tow and haul, eco, and sport. Continuing our look here, we have heated and cooled seats, dual climate, 12 volt outlet, 120 volt outlet. You have your volume controls there, main screen, auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park sensing, hazards, and traction control. And hitting this button here, you do get storage there, and in the glove compartment as well, we have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and of course we do have our rear window opener. Now looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which is Sirius XM capable, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. You have your phone settings, of course, navigation, your fave app, which you can set up however you like, such as messaging, email, so on and so forth, any apps you may have downloaded, settings such as Sirius XM, and so on and so forth, and features of the vehicle. The stock number for this vehicle is KF41996, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.